Hi guys, Ryan here with another episode of the Space Update. Coming up on today's show, Starship Updates, Rocket Lab teases us with some Archimedes engine development shots, ULA successfully tested their mighty BE4 engines on Vulcan, plus this week's launch updates. Let's get started. Now, Rocket Lab exciting developments are underway at Neutron's second stage test stand as it prepares for upcoming cryogenic structural stage testing. The engines of Neutron are revving up full methane and LOX power. The cutting edge technology of additive manufacturing is being employed at the state-of-the-art Rocket Lab HQ facility, where the giant 3D printers are fabricating full scale, including injectors and combustion chambers. It's absolutely amazing to see these first few glimpses of the Neutron coming together. More on this as we get it, and I for one cannot wait to see Neutron as a finished article. Now, ULA, better known as the United Launch Alliance, has successfully conducted a booster engine flight readiness firing, or better known as FRF, at Cape Canaveral Space Force Station in Florida. The engine start sequence initiated at T-4 seconds, with engines being throttled up to designated level for a duration of 2 seconds before being powered down. The Vulcan qualification program is currently 98% complete, as confirmed by ULA. There's only a few remaining tasks related to the final Centaur V testing. The ULA team is currently in the process of reviewing the data obtained from the systems involved in today's test. Simultaneously, they are actively investigating the anomaly that occurred at the Centaur V test stand. Once the data review and investigation yield results, a launch plan will be formulated accordingly. So a massive step forward for ULA, testing those Blue Origin BE4 engines, lighting them up. It was absolutely amazing to see. Starship Updates up next, but first, your feedback matters. It helps us to improve our content and create videos that you will love. By liking and subscribing to Total Space, you'll be helping us bring the latest and greatest news in space exploration. So make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to Total Space to stay up to date on all things space. Enjoy the rest of the show. Now, Starship and Starbase. Over the past few weeks, there have been an absolute flurry of activity down at Starbase after the first orbital launch attempt. Following the massive cleanup, both quick disconnects on the tower and pad have been removed and are yet to be replaced. The same applies to new hold-down clamps, which have been taken away for repair or replacement. Plus, we've got the whole work on the pad for the new water deluge system, which is coming together. Now, work is currently focused on addressing a few dents in the tank farm for Orbital Flight Test 2. I believe that after the second launch, we will definitely witness a teardown and replacement of the current tank farm, as announced by Elon several weeks ago. At present, it's increasingly likely that Starship 25 is moving towards the first round of static fire testing over on Pad B. It's been temporarily unhooked from the crane that was supporting it, and we might see some cryogenic testing before the static fire. Now, going forward, we'll be looking to cover Starship and SpaceX a lot more in these episodes going forward, so stay tuned for that. But right now, launch updates. On Thursday the 15th of June, we'll have China Aerospace Science and Technology Corporation, or CASC for short, launching their Long March 2D rocket. On board, it will carry the 41 Jilin-1 satellites into orbit. Then the next launch of that, on Friday the 16th, we'll see Ariane 5 launch the Scarus 4B and Heinrich Hertz satellites. Lastly, on Monday 19th, a little bit further ahead in the week, we have SpaceX conducting yet another launch at Cape Canaveral Space Force Station in Florida. And on board this one is the Satria satellite, and the rocket's first stage will attempt landing on the autonomous drone ship out at sea. Right now, I want you to go like this video, hit that subscribe button, stay tuned for more awesome content right here on Total Space. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.